Prophetic postcards next to the knives. The crickets are experts at noise in the night. The birds and the dead, undisturbed by the earth. Mink soft excuses covered in trash. Venison nooses mockingly laugh. I record my friends sighing in the mic. Right now would be unforgivable. Real men wanna see you buried under their business cards. Casually crushed on the pavement of flies, longing for love, yet dying to die. The flowers surround the gravestone grass, tying the strings, mandolin's neck, pushing the babies out of the nest. I record my friends, they're starving for fame. The blame falls directly on my shoulders now. Real men wanna see you buried under their business cards.